So guys, we have our saucepan here, and I'm going to put in my shea butter. So I'm just going to wait for the shea butter to melt. So we add our necessary ingredients to it. Okay, hey beauties, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to make hair conditioner from scratch. Yeah, beginner friendly, step by step. All right. Okay, so I have here my wooden benkuta. I don't know how they call it in English. This is mainly for banku and stuff, but I bought this specially for this stuffs. Okay, all right. So now that our shea butter has melted, I'm just going to pour in my flakes. Okay, this is flakes. Okay, so this is my flakes. I'm actually making a small quantity for myself. Okay, and as I told you in my last video, our hair care products will be out very soon. All right, so now our flakes is melted as well, and we are going to add in our softener. Okay, all right, so we're just going to add in some few amounts of our softener. Okay, then we stir. We continue to stir. All right. So now we have our softener in there, and you can see it's boiling very nicely. So our next ingredient is our water. So this is our water. Okay, I'm going to add in our water. 1 cup of water, guys. So we just add in 1 cup of water, and we are going to allow this to boil. So guys, our conditioner has started boiling. Yeah, we're going to allow it to boil a little while before we bring it down for it to cool down. Okay, all right, so please keep watching. Do not go anywhere, and kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share with friends and family. Okay, so yeah, please keep watching. So guys, our conditioner has boiled and it's off the fire. Yeah, it's off. I've taken it off from the fire, and I'm going to stir until it cools down. Meanwhile, I'm going to add water. So guys, I've taken off the conditioner from the fire, and I'm just going to allow it to cool down. Okay, but for the meantime, I'm just going to add another water. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to be stirring until it cools down. Then I add my necessary ingredients, the other ingredient that will help the hair. This is how I'm going to be doing it. So guys, our conditioner has started thickening. You can see for yourself. That means it's cooling down. So I'm just going to add my ingredients, other ingredients to it. Okay, all right. Since our conditioner is too thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. But meanwhile, I'm just going to add my poho. Yeah, this is poho menthol. Yeah, it's called menthol. I was supposed to add it whilst it was hot. So I'm just going to be stirring, so it will melt in it. But meanwhile, I'm just going to add a little bit of water so it become a bit lighter. Bear in mind, this is still hot, so yeah, it's still very hot. Not hot, but it's hot. Okay, so now I'm going to add glycerin and perfume just to, yeah. So this is just about 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and I'm adding in my perfume to give it a nice smell. Okay. Then we are going to stir everything together again. So at this junction, our hair conditioner is ready. You can choose to add pearl to it, which will let it become more whiter, or you can choose to add color to it, any color of your choice. Okay, but this is not for sale. I'm using this at home, so I don't need any color or pearl to just enlighten it. Okay, so yeah, our conditioner is ready. So guys, our hair conditioner is ready, and I'm just going to transfer it into this bottle to use. Okay, all right. So I have the bottle with a funnel, which we are going to be dropping it. I don't want this to be watery. Okay, I just don't want this to be watery, but this is going to take time to fill up. So guys, I'll catch you later when I'm done filling. So guys, I've managed to fill this, and I do not want to make it very light. Okay, I want it to take color like this. Okay, so if you purchase one, you can use water to mix it so it will last. So it will last longer for you. Okay, this is going to soften the hair very well. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.